can learn pretty much any genre I want, and I have learned so much, but on my own schedule while I've been touring. Hi, I'm Arielle Belvalere. I'm from Windsor, Connecticut, and I'm studying the Guitar Performance Program Associates at Musicians Institute Online. The classes are just so packed with information. I can go back, watch the classes again, pause it, rewind, and play along with it until I get it, whereas if I was in person, I wouldn't be able to do that. Learning online has definitely exceeded my expectations. We have the best staff. You will learn so much. The curriculum is incredible. I can connect scales. I learned that in my first month of MI, actually. And it's been really great with learning other genres because I can hop into any class I want, any time I want, and just really get the most out of every lesson. And the best part, they have open counseling, so you can learn everything you want, even if it's not in the curriculum. It's like a community, but we're all over the world. Just do it. It's amazing.